dashboard proving grounds. We're going to demonstrate a narrow rip using track stars and the parallel guides, along with SpiRail Dogs in the guide rail. This is going to be 2 5/8 inch wide. So I've got the parallel guides set, and now I'm just going to put my workpiece up here. This is a very, very simple method. And now we just take the guide rail. SpiRail Dogs are installed. We slip them into the slots in the track stars, which are positioned using long rip setup arrows. And now we're ready to go. Time to let it rip. Here are our results. Two and 5/8, 2 5/8, 2 5/8, right on the money. That's hard to beat. Thanks for watching.